Hey there, super parents. Welcome to another exciting chapter of your baby's growth journey. Let's dive into the incredible milestones your 6-month-old is about to hit. This is such a fascinating time. At 6 months, your baby is transforming every day. You'll be amazed at how quickly they develop new skills. You'll notice they're starting to sit up with a little support. This is a big step in their physical development. Try placing cushions around them to help build that core strength. It's a fun way to encourage their sitting practice. They're also getting curious with their hands. Watch as they explore their world by grabbing everything within reach. Offer them toys that make sounds or have different textures. These toys are perfect for stimulating their senses. It's a great way to boost their sensory development. Expect more babbling too, as they try to mimic the sounds they hear. Chat back to encourage their language skills. Your responses help them learn the basics of communication. Your baby loves hearing your voice. It's comforting and helps them feel connected to you. And let's not forget tummy time. This activity is crucial for their overall physical development. It's still super important for building those muscles. Make it a fun part of their daily routine. Aim for a few minutes each day. Consistency is key to helping them grow stronger. Remember, each baby grows at their own pace, so these milestones are just guides. Don't worry if your baby takes a little longer. Celebrate each tiny victory with lots of smiles and cuddles. You've got this, parents. Every small step is a big achievement. Enjoy every moment of this incredible journey. These precious times will create lasting memories.